Okay, Linda, we are going to go into Pixlr again and go down here. This time I want you to go to the Pixlr Express. So we're going to launch that and we're going to hit Browse. And let me pick yours up. Uh, hmm. Well, dang. Did I not save it? Okay, Linda, we're going to go back into Pixlr and do the down arrows. But this time, we're going over here to Pixlr Express. So we're going to open that up. And we're going to browse. Then we're going to go pick your trophy up here. Okay, now on this one, I want you to go down here where it says type and hit that. And let's pick, well, we'll try Sands. You could either do one or the other. And we're going to type in Laura Drummond. And I need another space. It looks like it's kind of going together. Separate a little bit. And then we're going to move her down to this. Now, to change it, all you do is take this and close it up some until wherever you want it. And I want you to fit it in here like this, Laura. And then see this little round ball here? That's going to turn the name. So just, it's very, it's very easy. So then you can move it around like this and see how it's getting straight in there. And whoops, see, I messed it up, shit. Let's make it a little bit smaller. And it's still not straight enough. It's so, moves so quick. All right, that's still not right. Just a little bit will do it. Still not right, is it? Oh man, come on. Just a little bit. Nope. Anyway, that's how you do it. If you have enough. All right, I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. It won't be as tipsy, I don't think. Line it up at an angle. Oh, come on. Damn it. Close it in. Bring it down. Still freaking crooked. But anyway, it does work if you have the patience to do it. Oh, did I get it? Oh, look at there. Okay. Anyway, set it right in there. And then down here, I think I moved it, didn't I? You hit apply. Shit, I did move it. Did I move it? No, it might be straight after I get rid of all this. Anyway, okay. And Then you come up here and then you save it and just put with name so I can just show you. And then you can save that. And put it under pictures and save. So anyway, there it is. And it still might look a little bit off though. Looks like this one might have to come down. But if it is, once you do all this, all you have to do is go back over here and undo it, and it takes it off. Okay? Anyway, that's how you do it.